What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm running a little late today, but today I'm finally getting the new wheels put on. I don't know if you can see in the trunk, I have the punctured wheel, my new Nitto wheel. That's going to be my spare for the time being. As you can see, when I threw the new spare on, I still never got it. The tire pressure sensor, I never got it linked up to the truck, so hopefully I'll have that done today. Yeah, so I'm on my way. My appointment's at 9. It's 8:53, so I'm definitely running a little late today. But I'm going to show you the before and after and what the wheels look like. So I ended up going with some Method race wheels. Alright, so you can see everything here. Punctured wheel, the extra wheel, and then I got the box of wheels over here. And so yeah, this is it for the stock wheels. They're going to be up for sale, so if you're interested, let me know. I mean, I love the way the stock wheels look, to be honest. I don't know. I don't even know if I should have changed them, but we'll see how these Methods look on the truck. Like I said, it took me a long time to find wheels I actually like. So I'm keeping the same tires for now. This is actually the spare tire. But yeah, I'm going to keep the Goodyears for now. I have no issues with them, so I'm going to keep them on, throw them on the new wheels. And then eventually down the road, they will be switched out for some Nittos. Alright, so a little update. Went to this place, and they can't mount 35-inch tires. I guess their machine can't handle it. So now I have to head to another place, which I'm heading to right now. Luckily, they said they could take me right now. So I'm heading over there, and yeah, hopefully they get it done pretty quick. Continue. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you what the new wheels look like. Here we go. I got these Method 317s, matte black, so it matches the truck. So matte. It's got the simulated beadlocks, which I kind of like. Gives it a nice little style. They are 18 by 9s, I believe. I think it's just almost the same as the stock wheels, except this offset is a little more aggressive. It's a +3. I believe the stock wheels are +18. So if you look at it from the front, it kind of gives it that more aggressive stance. Kind of lines up a little more with the fender, which is how I like it. I love the way it turned out. So I didn't bump up to 20s because, number one, I want to use the stock tires, and for some reason on trucks I kind of like the 18-inch wheels. I don't know, it's just my preference. On trucks, for some reason, I don't like bigger wheels. I'd rather have an 18, and then if I bump up to 37s, I have a meatier tire, like a, you know, like a tire that looks meaty, you know what I mean? I like the look of that on a truck than compared to like 20s with smaller tires. So that's just my opinion. That's kind of how I like it, but I definitely love the way it turned out. And I also stayed on the 18, so that way I could reuse my stock tires, because I only have, what, 4,000 miles on them. So, you know, they're still pretty new. And then I showed you guys that I got the Nitto Ridge Grapplers, which eventually I'll probably bump up to. I found a tire size that's about 35.6, so it'll definitely fill up the wheel well at least a little more. I mean, you know, nothing crazy, but I ended up throwing the Nitto on the spare tire, which is one of the stock wheels, and that's yeah, so that's under the truck now. But otherwise, that's the whole look of the truck. Very happy with it. So let me know what you guys think. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate you guys checking it out. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up. Definitely helps out the videos, and I'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. Peace.